In this video, we will learn how to set location-based reminders in Google Keep. So let's start. This is my Google Keep. Suppose if you are going to do somewhere and you want to buy a book from a particular metro station, you can set a reminder for that here. So let's see how it's done. First, I create here the OneNotes. I just enter here the buy book from bookstore. Okay, and I set here the reminder. Just click me and pick up the place, metro station. I pick up the metro station DN Nagar and save it and just close this notes. When this metro station, this place come, then reminder is pop up in your Google Keep. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.